The exercise I will show today is a little bit more dangerous. I will show you abseiling. Before abseiling, you have to climb upwards first. Be sure you do it safely and you choose a solid surface. Oh! Now I have reached the top of the mountain. It was a hell of a climb. Now I will show you how to abseil safely. First, I must fix this pole in the ground. It must stand firmly, since it must hold my weight. Aha! Now I have found a good place to put in my stick. Ah, nice! It sits well. Now I will secure the rope at the stick and then I will start abseiling. Yes, this fixed well. One must stand perpendicular to the wall in a right angle. Otherwise your feet will lose their grip on the wall. Now I will climb down all the way like this. I will see you at the foot of the mountain. Now I have reached the foot of the mountain. First, I will try to get back my stick. Ah, I have it. This was abseiling. You should not do it when you don't have enough experience and when you are untrained. Thanks for watching and see you soon!